Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what the system needs and why. Extract your base theme and confirm God Mode 9 and Theme Manager are ready. You should play CTR toolchain on your PC so you can rebuild fonts and archives. This speeds iteration. Once done, prepare graphics sized for the 3DS screens and short audio snippets optimized for looping. Make sure file names are consistent and your SD card has backups. This avoids corrupting system data and gets you into the build step immediately. Now you transform and assemble the assets. Open your banner and split layers so animated frames align with the 3DS grid, then convert to the required tiled formats. You will edit palettes and icon sheets to maintain color consistency and reduce file size. Use the CTR toolchain to build NCCH sections and import audio with the correct sample rate so it loops cleanly. As you work, test incremental builds on a secondary SD card. This narrows down mistakes quickly and explains why each conversion matters for performance. Finish by compiling the theme into a properly structured archive and signing it with the keys required for your 3DS build. This step prevents rejection. You then install with Theme Manager and observe boot and menu behavior. If the theme fails to load, check common culprits: misnamed files, wrong palette indices, or assets exceeding SRAM. This often causes crashes. One key troubleshooting tip: use logs and swap back to the original theme to isolate whether the problem is an asset, packing, or signature issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.